Alright everyone, hello, there's my bike. Today I'm on the Iron 1200. And my friend behind me is my friend Bushman. So when I first got onto this bike, oh my god, that's torquey and smooth. That's weird, the feeling. Oh, so that's what they do for the Tree 500s. They take it for demo rides. Well then, my first impression on this bike was actually really interesting. Now, I am surprised of how smooth it is, and well, the power torque on this is pretty good. Now, of course, being hey, it's actually very nice. It's a lot smoother than I thought.
What?
It's a lot smoother than I thought.
Do you feel the vibration?
On idle.
Look at your front tire bouncing.
Oh my god. So, yeah. And where's neutral? There you go. So I really like this bike. You know, you get a wide handlebar, well, tall handlebar. It's not so wide. Your foot pegs are right here, and I like it so far. This is like one of those bikes that, yeah, I'll consider buying this right off the bat. At least for me, at least. This is how this bike. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The bike does tend to heat up because it's only air cooled. See, it does in the corners. Very nice, actually. Shift easily. And there's traffic again. There's a taco truck over there. Oh wow, you know, I could definitely take this for long as rides, but like I said before, I probably can't because, you know, I only got a fucking peanut tank. What's up, dude? Hey, I wish. Hey. Let's take some power. Oh yeah, this is vibrating where my feet is. Especially at higher RPMs. Alright, we're going on the freeways. Yeah, that bike. This bike is actually a lot louder than the FXDR, surprisingly. And there it goes with the red light. Because we can't take right on red. This is how this guy in the car doesn't do anything weird or stupid. I actually should like this bike a lot. I actually like this bike.
Of course.
Yeah. It's a lot more comfortable than a FXDR. Well, at least a foot peg wise.
Next CG's more forward. What do you hear?
No, I don't like that. No, that's a no for me. I mean, we're sport bike riders to begin with, so sport bike riders. Oh wow, way to go, me. It's actually a lot louder than the FXDR.
Yeah, not to me.
To me it is.
FXDR's louder when you get up there.
Huh. Alright, let's see this bumpy road. 60 is fine at lower RPMs. Now, this is actually not that bad. Now, I wish I could give it some more gas. Oh, wait, no, I can feel the vibration already. Now, when it comes to this riding, just going about like 65-ish, it's pretty good actually. It's really smooth. Surprisingly a lot smoother than I thought. Oh yeah, I could definitely ride this for a long ass time. Guess, you know, give it some gas. At 80. I don't know what that's about. Now I wish this, again with this seat, I wish it'd be a little taller for me, you know, for satisfy, you know. I wish that was the case. That was pretty simple. But this would be a perfect like bike for like just cruising. You know, this might be perfect for daily, especially on freeways, which is a lot of riding I do for most of the time. Oh, yeah, this doesn't have a gear. Oh, it does have a gear indicator as well. What the fuck? Oh, it's only 5 speeds. Oh, wow. Okay, I see. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about it is that how it's only a 5-speed manual transmission. Now, I wish I could be taking this corner a lot faster. So you really get to see what it's like to push it. But I can't because I can't really exactly pass anyone. Oh wow, I like this bike a lot. But honestly, when it comes to the FXDR versus this bike, I think I would prefer the FXDR better, just a little more. I don't know. But at the same time, I like this bike better. But for my type of riding, I think I'd rather prefer the FXDR. Bumpy, it's all shaky. Oh wow. So yeah, I really like this bike a lot. You know, I believe this bike can be a good beginner's bike-ish, kinda. Maybe like an 883 be better. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't exactly have a good feel for it yet. And I'm glad the airbox isn't hitting my legs since it only has mid pegs, which is nice for me at least. Because that's just what I'm used to. I prefer it better. I do need to pee though. Oh yeah, this is like, well, I didn't notice my elbows are kind of getting a little tiring. I need to relax though. Yeah, there we go. That works. Wait, do I have a gas gauge on this? Yes, I do. Well, only a gas light, basically. Yeah, the power band isn't exactly the best. Yeah, I find it unusual on these bikes. Oh, we're going straight. All right. Yay! Shut up, you Harley rider. What? Shut up, you Harley rider. Oh shit. pulls hard. Oh shit. Once I really let go of the clutch, that's when it pulls hard. I don't know, I'm not sure when this camera's gonna die, but I'm on my other ride where it died. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, wow, brakes are kind of strong on this. The brakes are kind of strong on this. The brakes are strong on this.
Yeah.
Surprisingly. It's only a single disc. Oh yeah, 4-piston caliber it looks like. Yeah. This is pretty nice. Oh wow, so the pull on this is not exactly the best of this, honestly. So can this go for a beginner? Maybe if you have like a little bit more experience, honestly. You know, if you're new to the cruiser world, basically. Oh, there's a football stadium over there. Baseball stadium, there you go. Oh yeah, this is nice. Screwed it now. Oh shit. God. This is why you pay attention and don't be talking so much.
You see her fucking jump?
Huh?
You see her fucking jump?
Yeah. I know. Too much front brake.
Don't do it. People could have made it. You would have.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this has some pull. Once you go to first gear. Imagine talking to everyone like that. Brett looked fucking ridiculous. Bushman doesn't have his fucking why are we slowing down for? Why are we stopping a green light? What the fuck was that? Do I recommend this bike? Yeah, I do. Not to like a brand new, not to like a brand new rider. Oh my god, we're gonna take over here. We better just chill out. Maybe you have like some dirt bike experience. You know, this bike will be a good bike for you. Am I recording? Maybe I guess I am. You know, maybe you have some like dirt bike experience. Then yeah, this bike would be definitely good. You know, I just want to get to more of the cruiser world base, cruiser theme, I guess. I don't know the right word I'm looking for, but still, this would be a perfect bike. You were riding Ninja 250 or something like that, yeah, this bike would be no problem, literally. It's a nice bike. The shock on this, a little bouncy. I can feel it a little bit. It's not bad. Oh god, this give me a little motion. Take a little because I just ate so much. So there's, after this ride, there's one more ride we had to do. And after that, that'll be it. And after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do afterwards, honestly. I'll go back home and hang out with a friend or something. Oh yeah, I can feel my fatigue on my shoulders. There we go. I just need to get the habit of relaxing my arms, because every time I always go like fixed mode into it, but then I was like, no, relax it. But once you actually do relax your arms on this bike, it's pretty nice, honestly. I think it'd be better than the other Sportster, but my friend does not like the Sportster apparently, because he only complains about the handlebars. It's like too big, and the foot pegs on this are mid controls, and he complains about that too. He prefers it to be high, or more of a highway peg, which is fine by hand, honestly. But honestly, I prefer this. The one thing I really don't like about this bike is that, well, let's see how it takes this turn. Very nice. Oh shit. Oh, dragging pegs. I was like, oh, okay, this is really nice. And dragging pegs. Oh shit. I keep forgetting this cruiser does not have a ground clearance on my bike. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying, but just be aware, because ground clearance of this bike is not exactly the most. Yeah. At least you got it for a good corner, I guess, but it's still a little annoying to getting. Actually, no, there's a shock that you can get that makes a pop the rear end more up, basically, like 15 inches or something like that. So I'm gonna get that one if I do get this bike. One thing I'm really concerned about this bike is maybe you should get like a longer shock, basically. Depending what your situation is. You know, if you like to do more of you want to get a Sportster, but